If you are having a issue with the sensitivity of your iPhone touchscreen, whether it's too sensitivity or not sensitive enough, don't worry. In this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily adjust the touch sensitivity of your iPhone. To get started, open up the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find the option called Accessibility. Tap on it and then tap on touch. Now you'll see an option called haptic touch. Tap on it and you will have the option to change the touch duration at the top. There are two options to choose from. You can test the touch duration at the bottom by touching and holding the image to see how it responds. If it pops up quickly, it's because the touch duration is set too fast. You can also change the touch duration to slow and test it as well. Play around with this and select the touch duration that feels best for you. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comment sections below and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.